in the whole world. We're taking a tour of our house. What is this over here, Krista?
The fish tank.
The fish tank. Let's see how we can do this. We got some features on this. Let's see if it works. There we go. Watch this. Oh yeah. See, you don't know what I'm seeing, Krista, but this is so cool. This is so cool. I gotta learn how to use this, but this is the neatest thing.
Can I see?
There we go. Yeah. Well, you'll see it when I put on the VCR. There we go. Let's take a view here of the house. Now, where are we walking now? Get over there. Get in the picture. There you are. See how pretty. That's a pretty dress. What did you do today?
Went to mall, 2 malls. Went to Grandma's old workplace. That's all I did.
That's it?
Yeah.
You look so pretty. I'm just doing something with this camera, trying to... Okay. There we go. This is so cool. Wait till you see what I'm doing. Okay, let's take a view. Let's take a tour. Now, where should we go first? What's that behind you?
Oh, that's living room.
Yeah? And let's walk over to what's those pictures on the wall? Oh, wait a minute. We hear something coming here. Oh, it's Grandma and Nonna. Let's walk over here. What?
Now when there's Italian sounds on the back of the wall.
That's alright. What? Wait a minute, I'm playing around with this. You don't know what I'm doing. It's hard to explain. But you'll see when I put on the TV what I'm doing. Okay, where are you? Okay, let's go to your room. Oh, wait a minute. Let's take a look at what I got in my room. This is my living room. And there's Krista, who wants to do this after they leave. You're so pretty. I got you in a little box. You know that? You don't even know it. I got the whole room. I got the whole room, and I got your face in a little box in this thing. It is so cool. Oh, there's a nice nose. Okay. Let's take a walk around. You want to turn the light on in your room? Because it's probably too dark. Let's go in your room. I'll follow you. Come on.
Poi più usaggi è più modo dopo. Meglio che è successo prima, così una volta che c'è io questi a lavare, cioè non fluide, non mai dove ci vuole fluide.
Into the land of Krista. Oh, what's this room over here? Oh, this is Daddy's bedroom. This is Daddy's bedroom.
Daddy, how could you sleep on this thing? It's so wiggly. Feels good though.
Krista, get the phone, huh?
I'm coming!
I couldn't wait. You were supposed to be here a long time ago. I want to see how this goes with... Who?